So let's go back to 2005 in the United States. For like any of us, we've seen weight in the United States kind of creep up decade by decade. And the changes really in a very meaningful way started in the 1980s in America. And so about 10 years ago, scientists coined the term secondhand weight gain. Think about that, secondhand weight gain. Now, what is secondhand weight gain? We know what secondhand smoke is, right? You smoke a cigarette, I'm by you, I breathe that air. That's harmful to my health. We know about secondhand smoke. But what is secondhand weight gain? This soundbite was described to address the issue of how easy it is to gain weight because other people around us are gaining weight. So if you go to work and your coworkers are heavier or gaining weight, and your neighbor is heavier, and your best friend is gaining weight, it becomes easier for you to gain weight as well. So we call this a transmissible behavior. So we often adopt some of the habits of the people we live with and around us, friends, family, coworkers, etc. So secondhand weight gain is something that is becoming much more common in today. And if you're not overweight, you are more and more uncommon in America. So what we're going to do tonight is address what we believe are 5 of the biggest myths. When you combine the secondhand weight gain, Lori, with the fact that we have an increasing number of competing theories, have you noticed that in the United States, there are so many different ideas about how to lose weight and keep it off? It's almost mind-boggling. It's mind-numbing. So you almost get to the point where you resign yourself. You say, forget about it. I'm not going to do anything because 5,000 scientists disagree on what to do when it comes to weight management. So combine the competing theories, secondhand weight gain, and many myths that continue to persist, Libby. It can be nearly impossible to lose weight. So tonight is about just breaking through some of the big myths. We call them the big 5 myths, giving you some actionable steps to make sure that when you're doing things, Minaj, you're at least engaged in relevant evidence-based behaviors versus wasting your time on things that just don't matter. So, having said that,